captured Ukrainian soldier has made a shocking claim. Foreign fighters are allegedly present in Ukrainian army training camps. Anatoly Styagailo, now in Russian custody, says he witnessed international mercenaries during his deployment in the Cherkasy region.
We saw foreign mercenaries in the Cherkasy region, in Chepkin, when the BZEP was passing by. The foreigners were Japanese, a Colombian, one Colombian, two Poles, an Irishman, an American, and a German. Several people were passing by with us.
Meanwhile, Russian Marines operating a Grad multiple rocket launcher system delivered precision strikes on Ukrainian targets across the Dnieper River. The crew responded swiftly after receiving coordinates.
After the coordinates were given to us, we were ready to open fire. The target was destroyed. The calculator temporarily left the firing position.
Russia claims another battlefield gain. Following what Moscow called resolute actions, its forces reportedly took full control of Novotoretskoye in the Donetsk People's Republic, tightening their grip in eastern Ukraine. On the northern front, the 34th Separate Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade, part of Russia's Seva Group, destroyed Ukrainian armored vehicles and blocked troop rotations in the Sumy region. In Kharkov, a Lancet loitering munition was used to target and destroy an M113 armored carrier, while in South Donetsk, Russian troops neutralized a US-made M198 howitzer. Assault units from the Aleisk Guards, motorized rifle formation under the Center Group, launched an offensive in the Krasnoarmysk direction. The attack cleared a fortified Ukrainian position with bunkers and hidden firing points. Supported by artillery and drones, Russian troops advanced deep into defensive lines.